Hi Open Sky, it's Carolyn Murphy and we are in my kitchen again. And right now we're popping corn. We're using the Jacob Bromwell popper. And what I love about this popper is that you can take it camping or you can use it at home on your stovetop. They're one of the oldest American heritage companies. They've been around since 1819 and they are the oldest American houseware company. And on Open Sky, you can get the popcorn popper along with this tin. It's a package. And hey, this is all you need on a Friday night with the kids. Pop some popcorn in the stovetop. They have fun with it over a campfire. I think it's a really cool gift. So here it is, your fresh popped popcorn. And this is so much fun with the kids. They love, love, love making homemade popcorn. Again, perfect for the campfire. And there you have it.